drink is based on a mixture of water and lemon and is seen as a good way to detoxify the body and helps to lose weight. The addition of a few more ingredients, in addition to lemon, increases its effect. However, the diet is yours and you must maintain a healthy lifestyle to carry out detoxification. In the description, also leave a link to a testimonial from a woman who lost 84 pounds after learning how to make this recipe. See her testimonial to make you feel more motivated. Link in description. The recipe is easy and simple. Ingredients: put about 2 liters of water in a jar. Preferably use filtered water. Wash a lemon, preferably Tahiti lemon. Cut it into very thin slices and add the water. There is no need to squeeze, just add the slices to the water. Peel and thinly slice a cucumber, any type of cucumber, and add it to the water. Add 12 fresh, washed mint leaves. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, at the root. Add the grated ginger to the water. Stir everything, cover and refrigerate overnight. The next day, drink this cool drink. Drink the 2 liters throughout the day. You drink 30 minutes before each meal. Do not reuse the ingredients. Every night, a new drink must be made with new ingredients. You can take it for 4 days or up to 30 days. If you take it for 30 days, take a break of 2 weeks to restart the diet. Remember that exercise and balanced diet help you lose weight. This drink dries the belly and you lose 4 kilograms in a week. Important, during this diet, do not use anything that contains ginger. The excess in the body can cause some side effects. Then use only what is stated in the recipe. Check the link in the description will help you.